Match list first with list second and mark the correct code given below. List first contain authors' names and list second contain books' names. First one, Making Marriott, is related with the book Village India. M.N. Srinivas, India's Villages. B.R. Chauhan, A Rajasthan Village. S.C. Dube, Indian Village. Match the items in list first with the items in list second and choose the correct answer from the codes given below. Here, social evolution is related with Herbert Spencer. Positivism, Auguste Comte. Mode of production, Karl Marx, and cultural lag is William Ogburn. Who defined peasants as small agricultural producers who with the help of simple equipment and the labor of their families produce mostly for their own consumption, direct or indirect, and for the fulfillment of obligations to holders of political and economic power. Option A. Bataille. Option B. T. Shannon. Option C. A.R. Desai. Option D. A.V. Chainor. The right answer is option B. T. Shannon. Which one of the following is not a push factor of rural to urban migration? Option A. Rural unemployment. Option B. Increasing practice of dowry in rural areas. Option C. Rural poverty. Option D. Decline of cottage and household industry in rural areas. Here the correct answer is option B, that is increasing practice of dowry in rural areas. Ethnicity is defined with reference to option A. Inherited and achieved socio-cultural attributes. Option B. Inherited political positions and achieved economic attributes. Option C. Inherited socio-cultural attributes. Option D. Achieved socio-cultural attributes. Here the correct answer is option C, that is inherited socio-cultural attributes. Ethnicity is defined with reference to inherited socio-cultural attributes. Which one of the following is not a feature of informal sector? Option A. Absence of effective legal protection. Option B. Absence of employment security. Option C. Absence of effective trade unionism. Option D. Absence of gender segregation. Here the correct answer is option D, that is absence of gender segregation. It is not a feature of informal sector. Bonded labor is a option A. Cause of rural poverty and illiteracy. Option B. Cause of prevailing hegemony of upper caste. Option C. Product of rural poverty but cause of illiteracy and hegemony of the upper caste over the lower caste. Option D. Product of rural poverty, illiteracy and hegemony of upper caste over the lower caste. Here the correct answer is option D, that is bonded labor is a product of rural poverty, illiteracy and hegemony of upper caste over the lower caste. The juvenile delinquents in India belong to the age group of option A. below 12 years, option B. below 14 years, option C. below 18 years, option D. below 20 years. So the right answer is option C, that is below 18 years. The juvenile delinquents in India belong to the age group of below 18 years. The average size of landholding of scheduled tribes is option A. higher than the scheduled caste, option B. lower than the scheduled caste, option C. similar to those of the scheduled caste, option D. higher than the other backward classes. Here the correct answer is option A, that is higher than the scheduled caste.